What is up, guys? Gunners56 here, and today back for another Mountain Dew Labs video. Hope you guys are enjoying the new series so far, even though this is only the second video. But without further ado, here we go. You guys saw the title. We are going to be comparing original Taco Bell Baja Blast. This one is the freeze variety against the store-bought bottled version. So now you might be saying, but there isn't a difference. Well, I'm telling you, yes, there definitely is a difference. But if you're not a Mountain Dew connoisseur like myself, you might not know that. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video, starting off with the Taco Bell Baja Blast. Alright, so here we go. Now, you could also say that me using the freeze version is cheating. But it doesn't matter, whatever. This is very good, automatic 11 out of 10. One of my favorite Mountain Dews, only from Taco Bell. Won't get the bottled version, won't get the canned version. They don't taste nearly as good. But anyway, yeah, speaking of which, let's move on to the bottled version. Alright guys, so here we have the bottled Baja Blast. As you can see, the colors are still pretty much the same. This one just looks lighter because it's the freeze. But anyway, we're going to crack this one open. So here we go. Alright, nice. It even smells different, I think. Alright, here we go. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if it's just the fact that it's bottled or what, but it's just slightly too sweet, not citrusy enough, if that makes sense. Have to give that one like a 7 out of 10. In my opinion, it's just not that good. If you disagree, let me know in the comments. But anyway, that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this series, leave a like, leave a comment, like I said, which one you think is better, or if you even think they're any different. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one, and peace.